Yo, what up, people? It's your boy Jinx in the building once again. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the It Depends choreography by Chris Brown. Let's dive into it. All right. So before you get into this, you have to get prepped up. You have to warm up a little bit, get comfortable shoes, comfortable pants and t-shirt, and just find a space around your house or your home, and let's get digging. Before I proceed further, take note that this is your right arm. I'm gonna put it up here. This is your right, and this is your left. All right. So step number one, we want to go into this. So it's more like you have a folded arm, then you walk forward. So there's a groove with every move. So get the hang of this groove. Get the hang of this groove. So 1, 2, go, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll groove up to 4 times. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So to get the hang of that, you want to be on your toes and you just open up your legs like this. All right. But then we're going to move 4 times forward. For you to get the hang of this, we are going to combine 2 moves, which is the first 2. We'll have a folded arm. The next 2, we want to open our arms like this. So we'll put that into consideration while you execute this. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you guys now, and you see how it looks. So folded arm, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6, and 7. Go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So once you stop on 4, you bring your leg back in. All right. You finish with a stomp on your right leg. Go again from here. I'll finish up the first part with a stomp. 5, 6, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Perfecto. Moving on to the next part of the routine. Once you stomp, you want to go 1, 2. So you're basically just stepping out like this. You come back, step out, and you come back. So get the hang of this movement and step and back. But then when you do this, you want to take your hand upwards and bring it down. Take it upwards and bring it down. So I'll put that together. We're going to put the 2 moves together and see how it looks. So we go 1, 2. Nice. Perfect. So move on to the next part. You want to keep it sexy, like rolling your body. But when you do that, you tap, tap, and down. All right. So head and bring it down slowly. But when you do that, you want to like feel your body and tap into your feminine energy. All right. So you tap, you keep it sexy, and you come here. So he says, come here. I want to demonstrate that part. So tap slowly, come here. Your right hand stays in front of you, and you just want to open your legs like this. But you go 1, bap, bam, bam, bap. 1, bap, bam, bam, bap. One more time. 1, bap, bap, bam, bap. Bam, bap, 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 bap. Good. So you just keep that as smooth as possible. We're going to repeat that 2 times on both sides. Starting from the right, it's going to be combo 1. The one we switch it up to the left is going to be combo 2. So once we go tapped and we go down, we'll go into combo 1, which is, so once you do that, then you want to step to the right, bam, stop. All right. So once we've gotten the hang of this, we're going to the next step. Your left just want to go across your right, 1, and you halt. Perfect. Then we're going into 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. So we're going to have 2 counts. Every time you wiggle your shoulder, you count 2, then you change your pose. So for the first part, you go 1, 2. Next part, you hear 1, 2. The third part, you call 1, 2. Perfect. Finish up with the call, and we'll roll from the right to the left, and we grab that butt, and you bam, bam, bam. But I want to smash as hard as possible. So we go 5, 6 from the step, shake, shake down to the roll and to the smash. 5, 6, go, step, and 1, 2, 1, 2, call, ta da ta ta, and bam, bam, bam. Good. So you want to smash like tilt your waist in while you break your knee. All right. For girls, you can walk with your hip, but for guys, you have to keep it masculine and just, you know how we do. All right. Drop, bam, bam, bam. Once you finish 3 times, you are going to smash 3 times and it bounces you off and you tap and stop. Then we go 1, 2, like we're cooking. It says cooking. So you want to act like you're cooking or you're eating. You have your left arm here and your right hand just scoops. All right. And you want to walk forward with that and have your stanking leg while you do that. So ta, 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 tap, tap. Now to get the hang of that, just walk your knees like so while your hand rolls. We are walking forward with that or coming forward with that. And we go, do kicking good for real. Good. So 3 steps forward and 2 breaking into sleeping. All right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you want to keep your hands up and roll your waist. All right. And just groove till the end of the music. Perfect. So if you've gotten to this point of the tutorial, you're doing such an amazing job. So we're going to put the whole routine from top down to the end and see how we're able to connect them. Most importantly, make sure to take note of your transitions. Very important. Keep them as fluid as possible and keep your moves as detailed as possible. All right, we're going to do a step at a time slowly. Then we're going to try it with the music and see how we do. And 7, go. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and tap, tap, call. 1, bam, double, double, bam. 1, bam, double, double, step, stop, groove, groove, here, call, roll, and bam, 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 and down, and stop. And we go. I hate it cook, it's looking good for me. Perfect. Good. So let's try with the music and see how we do. If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you're watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here. Everything is there, and you can get started today. See you in class.